Welcome to the heart of Singapore, where urban beauty meets natural splendor. In this journey, we will explore two iconic destinations that define the essence of this vibrant city, Marina Bay and Garden by the Bay. Our story begins at the iconic Marina Bay Sands, architectural marvel that graced the skyline with its elegant curves and shimmering glass. As the sun sets over the bay, the city comes to life and Marina Bay becomes a beacon of luxury and entertainment. Now let's venture to a place where nature and innovation harmoniously coexist, Garden by the Bay. Here you will discover a world like no other, a loose oasis amidst the bustling city. The Super Tree Grove, a mesmerizing forest of towering tree-like structures, comes alive with a symphony of light and sounds every evening. These vertical gardens are not just a sight to behold, but also a testament to Singapore's commitment to sustainability. Don't forget to take a stroll along the OCBC Skywalk, where you can walk amidst the super tree and capture breathtaking panoramic view of the city skyline and the bay. The cloud forest will transport you to a misty realm filled with lush greenery and cascading waterfall. Wander through the misty cloud and marvel at the rare and exotic plant that call this place home. Step into the future with the Avatar experience in the cloud forest, where cutting-edge technology meets the beauty of nature. Interact with digital avatar of flora and fauna, blurring the lines between reality and imagination. Welcome to Marina Bay breathtaking water fountain show, where water and light come together in a mesmerizing dance of harmony and wonder. As day turns into night, Marina Bay iconic water fountain spring to life, transforming into symphony of color and motion. Marina Bay Water Fountain Show is a testament to human creativity and engineering, a testament to our ability to harness the power of nature and turn it into something truly magical. Thank you for joining me on this magical voyage. Whether you are a traveler seeking adventure or a local looking for inspiration, these two iconic destinations will leave an indelible mark on your soul. Come be enchanted by Marina Bay and Garden by the Bay, where dreams take flight in the heart of Singapore.